Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best BMX electric bike of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description. Product 1: BMX Bicycle. A BMX bicycle, short for bicycle motocross, is a specialized type of bike designed for various forms of off-road cycling. BMX bikes are known for their sturdy construction, compact size, and maneuverability, making them ideal for performing tricks, racing, and navigating challenging terrains. The 10-inch BMX bike, often referred to as a mini BMX bicycle, specifically caters to riders who prefer a smaller frame size. The term mini BMX typically signifies a more compact version of a traditional BMX bike with a frame size of 10 inches. This smaller size is popular among riders who prioritize agility and control, especially in the context of street and park riding. The mini BMX bicycle is well suited for tricks and stunts performed in urban environments or specially designed BMX parks. BMX bikes, including the 10-inch mini BMX, feature a reinforced frame, responsive steering, and durable components that withstand the impact and stress associated with jumps, spins, and other acrobatic maneuvers. These bikes often have a single-speed drivetrain, allowing riders to focus on technique and agility rather than gear changes. In summary, the 10-inch BMX bike, commonly known as the mini BMX bicycle, caters to riders who seek a compact and agile platform for street and park riding. With its sturdy construction and specialized design, it enables cyclists to perform a variety of tricks and maneuvers in an urban or off-road setting, contributing to the dynamic and exciting culture of BMX cycling. Product 2: BMX Bicycle. A BMX bicycle motocross bicycle is a specialized type of bicycle designed for various extreme sports, particularly stunt riding and racing. One of the defining features of BMX bicycles is their smaller wheel size, typically 20 inches in diameter, which contributes to their agility and maneuverability. These bikes are widely used in BMX racing events and freestyle BMX, where riders perform tricks and stunts in skate parks, on ramps, and in various urban settings. BMX bicycles are known for their sturdy and compact frames, designed to withstand the stresses of jumps, flips, and other high-impact maneuvers. They often have a single-speed drivetrain, which simplifies maintenance and provides a direct power transfer, crucial for quick acceleration and precise control during tricks. The term extreme sports bike is often associated with BMX bicycles due to their use in adrenaline-pumping activities. Riders in extreme sports often customize their BMX bikes. They include reinforced pegs for grinding, gyroscopic detanglers for spin tricks, and durable grips for better handling. Stunt bikes, within the context of BMX, refer to those specifically designed for performing tricks and aerial maneuvers. These bikes prioritize features such as a strong and lightweight frame, responsive handling, and components that can withstand the impact of landings and jumps. Stunt BMX bikes are essential for riders who engage in freestyle BMX, where creativity and skillful execution of tricks are paramount. Performance BMX bikes are crafted with an emphasis on speed, agility, and precision. Whether used in racing or freestyle competitions, these bikes often feature lightweight materials, aerodynamic designs, and components that maximize power transfer. Performance BMX bicycles are tailored to the specific needs of riders. Product 3: Product name. The Wolf's Fang Bicycle BMX Freestyle 2.0-inch mountain bike. The Wolf's Fang Bicycle BMX Freestyle 2.0-inch mountain bike is a specialized and versatile model designed for BMX bicycle motocross enthusiasts, particularly catering to riders who enjoy freestyle and stunt riding. This BMX bike is crafted with a durable and lightweight aluminum alloy frame, making it suitable for agile maneuvers and acrobatic tricks. With a 2.0-inch mountain bike configuration, the Wolf's Fang bicycle provides stability and control needed for various BMX disciplines. The inclusion of an aluminum alloy frame not only ensures the bike's durability, it also contributes to its overall lightweight nature, facilitating easier handling during jumps, spins, and other freestyle moves. The bike's design is tailored to meet the demands of children and youth riders who are interested in acrobatic juggling and stunts. The 2.0-inch tires offer a balance between traction and speed, suitable for both on- and off-road BMX riding. The robust construction of the frame is essential for withstanding the impact and stress associated with tricks and stunts commonly performed in BMX freestyle. The presence of a rotor, a component that allows the handlebars to rotate continuously without tangling the brake cables, enhances the bike's maneuverability, enabling riders to execute spins and complex tricks smoothly. Product name BMX Bicycle. The BMX Bicycle Motocross bicycle is a specialized type of bike designed for various forms of off-road cycling, particularly in the realm of BMX racing and stunt riding. These bikes are known for their durable construction, compact frame geometry, and nimble handling, making them well-suited for the dynamic and acrobatic maneuvers often performed in BMX sports. The Funcia bicycle, specifically the 18-inch model, is tailored for the younger demographic, catering to girls, boys, children, teenagers, and stunt enthusiasts. Its size makes it suitable for riders in their formative years, providing an introduction to the exciting world of BMX riding. The CPS C1512 and EN 16054 certifications ensure that the bike complies with safety standards, offering peace of mind for both riders and parents. One notable feature of the Funcia bicycle is its glossy and shiny colors, which not only add a vibrant and appealing aesthetic, also contribute to the bike's visibility, enhancing safety during rides. The inclusion of vibrant colors could also be a source of personalization and style for riders, allowing them to express their individuality. In summary, the Funcia bicycle, with its 18-inch size, CPS C1512 and EN 16054 certifications, and glossy shiny colors, appears to be a well-designed and safety-conscious option for children and teenagers interested in BMX riding, offering a blend of functionality, style, and durability for a fun and engaging cycle.